Morning everyone! Today I will take you on a food tour in Sicily. And as you probably know, or you don't, I don't know anything about Sicilian food. But that's not going to be a problem, because we are in luck today, as a friend of mine is going to join us in this adventure. His name is Charlie, and he is a chef who also happens to be Sicilian, which means he'll be able to give us some information about local dishes and everything. So guys, please meet my friend Charlie.
Hi guys, hello, nice to meet you. Let me get you out for a real Sicilian granita.
You'd be forgiven if you were to think that an ice slush has no place in your breakfast, especially served with a especially served with a brioche, which is actually sort of, I don't know, very sweet bread, let's call it this way. And by the way, this is not actually a nice slush. It looks like a nice slush, but I would probably be killed if I called it or compared it to a ice slush, the one you're probably used to. This one is actually a pistachio ice slush, which I've been informed by Charlie that is not the traditional flavor, because apparently the traditional flavor is...
It's lemon, so the first real granita made in Sicily, it's lemon, and so in the past 10 years probably, they just add a lot of flavors to granita, so now you can find strawberry, pistachio, and what else? Chocolates, so a lot of other flavors. But the original one is that one, which is lemon.
So it looks like I am not having the traditional one, but I love pistachios, so you know what? Sometimes screw tradition, right? Let's go crazy. And this is how you do it, basically. You grab this brioche, that's what we call it, like, let's call it a sweet bread. Okay. And basically you put granita, the ice slush, it's not ice slush by the way, with cream on top. And you eat it with this. It's just incredible, honestly. I know, it sounds weird, but my God. Honestly, I thought it was gross. Well, it's not, trust me.